Okay.
Okay, Man dah record.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good evening to everyone. Thank you attending to this meeting. So, today we're gonna to meeting about the progress our report.
Alright.
So, okay, first thing about the literature review. Okay,
Wait. Isman dah boleh share dah?
yes, they can share.
Okay. Awak tak habaq. Okay. So semua boleh
Okay.
nampak ke?
Nampak. Okay.
Okay.
So, okay, for the new report, I see the subs of the change literature review. So, Nadia, can you explain about why you changing our research?
Okay. First of all, actually I don't change. Actually I add some literature review for our website. Actually for nak kuatkan lagi lah kenapa why we do website for education. Okay, during COVID, actually some countries already done their education by using website. So in Malaysia, maybe it is something new for education method by using the website. So I think by using website education, from literature review that I got website another method that can improve our knowledge, and it's also more fun and more easy for students to contribute and get some knowledge. So here literature review that I got during do some research from internet. So that's it. So I think we need to do more review, more research, because website, what I can say, website education has pro and cons. So before we do our website, I think we need add some literature review untuk kukuhkan lagi kita punya why we choose website for during pandemic COVID ni.
Okay.
That's it for literature review so far.
So, this so very detailed about the literature review.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think we can more go through lah about the literature review ni.
By the way, in case you guys have in case you guys also do some research and you guys think any article or book that sokong about website education, so you guys can tell me lah, so I can read the article too.
So okay, good. Another. So literature review this also helping for Hafiz lah nanti nak buat website. So our designer, so you can take an action. Okay. Next about the problem statement. Okay, problem statement is the same. So listen just using the portfolio education, blah blah blah. And then objective of the research is also same. So for quality education to student, to analyze teaching and learning session for student and lecturer. So any comment, any addition or something from you guys?
I think you can proceed with the objective yang kita dah buat ya.
Okay. So my designer, how about the objective? So this more complete to your design, to achieve your design.
Yeah, for me, I do 3 different design, which is a website, you, you can see we have a 3 website here
Wait.
right?
So you section nanti tanya. Dia nak
Alright.
tanya yang objektif ni okey ke tidak?
Oh, there's
The comment.
objective.
Okey tak? Kena tak dengan research tu?
Okay. Kena.
Okay. Then go to research methodology. Okay.
Part should be Hafiz punya part kan?
Where?
Okay, so then Hafiz will divide by Zarif and Nadia part. Right. For Zarif, we follow chat and Nadia can chat.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So flowchart, Zarif, can you explain about the flowchart? Very detailed.
For the flowchart for our web-based teaching.
Okay.
So for the first, before we start our web-based teaching, we need to discuss for the budget required to build the web learning and teaching.
Okay.
So for the budget, we have to discuss about how we want to hire the lecturers, how we pay the labor for their job, and how we need the expertise to make sure the web is in a good quality. So after the discussion for the budget, we have to planning the interface and the design of the web. So based on the planning part, we have to discuss how we want to build the web. For the example, we have to know where we want to put the quiz, the video chatting with the lecturers, and how to you want to discover your history when you attend a quiz or you attend a lecture. So that's all about the planning for the interface of the design of the web. So after design planning for the design, we go to the next step. We organize the authoring tools and interactivity of the web. In this part, we will discover how to use the tools and interactivity. For the interactivity, it means that the students or lecturer can interact with the lecture, video or image, so they can when they attend the lecture, they can click or they can search the topic about the lectures and the subtopic that include in the lectures. So after we organize the authoring tools, we produce the trial version first for the web testing purpose. So we will produce the web which will proceed with beta mode first. So beta version, so we can see how it's going with our planning and our organize the authoring tools. So the trial version will conduct the same as the original version. So but we just do the trial version first to make sure the web is complete. So after we produce the trial version, we invite the small group of lecturers and students to test our web teaching. So after the test trial version, if we have a problem, we will go back for the planning and organize everything again. So if there is no problem, we will proceed to produce the complete version of the web learning. So with the complete version of web learning, we can continue with our web teaching, and we can start hire lecturers for use the web teaching website. All right, that's all from me.
Wow, so make it
Okay. Okay,
complete.
good. Good, Zarif. So, Hafiz and Zarif can work each other lah
All right.
for this project. So, okay.
Wait.
Then
By the way kan, Zarif, test the trial version ni actually lecturer lah yang using test for the trial version ni. Or
Kita
kita yang guna.
will invite the lecturers and student also, so they can communicate in the web
two-way section lah.
to
Two-way
say
section
so
communication lah.
the web is functioning well or not.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Good, Zarif. I like.
Thank you, Hafiz.
Okay. Next, kita go to Gantt chart for research activity. So, Nada, explain the Gantt chart.
Okay, for Gantt chart, chart for research activity, actually we already in week 11. So here our Gantt chart until week 10. Okay, so far our progress in our work. So start with project briefing in week 3, then project title selection in week 4.
Okay.
In week 4 and 5, we do discussion for with team member that what we need to choose either website, IR and gaming, and we choose for website education. Then week 5 we already do report proposal, which is literature review. In week 6 we have do feedback session, which is we submit of progress report 1. In week 7 until week 9 we do report writing for methodology, and last week we do submission for progress report. I think not last week. This week we will submit for progress report too.
This week.
Actually, yep. Tomorrow. By the way, actually our Gantt chart already late because we have some problem about topic. So we need to consider lah about time and information that we can do. So I think that's all for Gantt chart.
Okay. Okay, good, Nada. So, the Gantt chart is very complex. So we must arrange our time to complete this project. So this is halfway complete. Okay. Okay, next for the milestone and date. I see description is completion of methodology writing. Must be complete 8 December. So then completion the student learning website must be complete 30 December. Can, Hafiz?
Can.
Can. Sure.
Can. Yeah, I agree
Okay.
with you.
Alright. Okay. Then we need to test and running the website 31, the next day. The next we complete the website and then we test. And then complete for the final report next year, 10 January. So clear?
By the way,
Clear.
Isman, tak cepat sangat ke? 30 dan 31 tu kita test run.
So nak change.
I think 29
29 complete.
December. Yeah.
29. Okay.
So you can ada masa kita check balik either benda tu okay ke tak, baru kita bagi untuk test
So
run.
okay, we need 2 days or 3 days lah.
Yep.
Okay, I change to 28 lah. Okay. Okay.
So,
Good.
expecting result ni dah boleh kita dah boleh ni ke share?
Expected result. Kita buat sekali ke ni? For this week?
No, not for this week, but we can share lah what we expect for our project, this proposal.
Okay. Before we expect the result, I need Hafiz explain
Your website.
about the website. Okay, Hafiz explain.
Okay. Can.
By
We
the way,
have
Hafiz, sekejap. By the way, Hafiz punya
Okay.
slide memang tak ada
Ada dekat dalam grup.
Dekat dalam group.
I already sent in the group. You check first.
Okay, wait.
Ada. Website PM.
Sekejap wait.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay, Hafiz explain what is website 1, website 2 and website 3.
Alright. We have 3 website here for you guys recommendation. First website we have this website have a basic education that is used by every user. So this first website this is for every portal or every profile education must have this website one. For the next website is website two. Website two as a basic education, and in additional, this website has a game that can help student if a student is boring. Then this game has a learning game that can test the mind of students to motivate their knowledge and their positive skill. And then next is this website have a subject and they can choose for learning to make improve their knowledge. And then this website have a video meeting that can student meet and dating to facilitate online learning. For the next website three have basic education also. And then this website has chatting for asking a question for team member and lecture. Other than that, this website has a grade level education, so students can know their level to improve their self, to make their to know the level of the student that can lecturer or student can know about their self. So I want to ask you guys what website you recommend or you prefer to choose. For me, I choose a website too. You guys?
What is your reason for choose website 2?
For me, the reason is they have a games education and video meeting for meet or grade the lecture or some people.
I think
And
it's
then
good for the video meeting.
Yeah,
and then
more interactive.
Because we don't need to install the web apps, Zoom or someone else. So we just into the website we can video meeting.
all in one.
Yeah.
So you agree with the website number 2?
Yes. It's much more entertainment. Expressive.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
So Nadia, how?
Huh? Oh, okay. I
So the
think the
website 2 has
website 2
the
is what, Hafiz?
that add on so the website 2 that have a subject that can student choose what kind of the subject they're taken to the what we call study revision and do the assignment for the subject.
By the way, I want to ask, what is dating?
The thing is
Sorry, dating
meet
meet and
berjumpa.
Oh,
meet
Ah,
or
I
not
thought
dating
the
the
website for dating ones lah.
no lah.
Alright. Sorry.
Okay, sorry, my mistake.
it's
Okay,
a small mistake.
I
It's not a
think
dating, just a
website two more
meeting.
convenient lah. Convenient at the website 1 and 3 because more entertainment, more knowledge, and more easier for student.
Meet is
What?
dating is temu janji
Oh,
Okay.
Oh,
okay.
or appointment
Okay.
Okay, so
appointment.
you want to back Iman to our proposal?
Okay, yes. Go to proposal.
Okay.
Okay, for this, our progress is a good, it gives a good flow. So Hafiz has already create some of the website. So this is a characteristic for you guys lah. Choose either one, website 1, website 2 or website 3. So Hafiz can go through and complete the website. Okay. Where's the proposal? Okay. Okay. About the next step is budget.
Budget.
Yes. Okay. Okay, this is a budget. I think is anggaran untuk
yeah.
website ini is not complete kan?
Yeah.
Okay. So Azari explain.
So, based on the budget for the web teaching project, as we know, budget is in building a project. Budget is a crucial part. So, the factors that need to be considered to build the web teaching project. First thing first, that we need to think the labor cost to the employee. This means that the cost that we need to hire the employee to build the web teaching project. So we need the expert person need to be hired to make sure the quality of our web is in a good condition. Then the platform itself need to be interactivity so that the web is friendly to the lecturer and student, which means that the student and lecturer is easy to access with the web. They can reach all the data and the tools in the web easier. So for the network factor, we also consider the area that have problem with connection. The low we came out with the low connection mode that can the student and lecturer access. With the low connection mode, the interface of the web will be reduced, but the reducedness will not affect their activity in the web, which means that the main activity of the web, the student and lecturers can access. Just the some of the features in the web cannot be used when the low connection mode is turned on. The training also need to be held by lecturer to make sure that the lecturer are familiar with the authoring tools in the website, which means that we need to make some a course or we can make a one discussion that to brief the function and all the tools that side of our web. Last but not least, in all product or project, we need to advertise our project or product. So our web-based learning, we also need some budget to do some promotion about our web-based learning, so we can make some we can burst it on social media, and also we can pay for the newspaper or magazine to promote our web-based learning, so that more people can know about our product that can ease their life, which the main for the lecturers and students. All right, that's all for the basic budget for the web teaching project.
Okay. Okay, good, Zarik.
Alright.
So this budget is not properly detailed. So I need the next meeting or the next our progress. We need to detail lah about the budget. So how about the design? How about the promotion? How about the advertising? So we need detail-detail yang kita nak lah.
All right,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay. For website, Fiz, can you more go through lah about the characteristic website too, and you can complete the website. Okay,
Alright.
okay, for Nadia, Gantt chart is the good, and we need to add for another week to complete. So
Okay.
for this progress is the good for you guys, and until we meet again to the next meeting. Okay, thank you everyone.
Maybe
Okay.
meet.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Salam.
Waalaikumsalam.